Bagsak Yepa, mga kabalen. PSL Under 21. One team. One goal. One championship. One Kapampangan. One Pampanga Delta. Suportahan natin ang ating team na Pampanga Delta sa laban nila mamaya 4 PM Game 2 ng PSL Under 21 Finals. Makukuha na ba natin etong tagumpay ulit at maging kampyonato sa ligang Luzon Leg Division ng PSL or Pilipinas Super League? Ang pagsasama-sama ng malulupit na homegrown talent ng Kapampangan Basketball sa isang team na Pampanga Delta Under 21 at sa suporta na rin ng malulupit na coaches ng Pampanga Delta, makukuha na ba natin ang tagumpay para sa Game 2 o magkakaroon pa ng Game 3 extension sa final series? Opo mga kabalen, mamaya na pong 4 PM ang bakbakan sa Bren Sigyao, kaya metong a solid a suporta para kingkiyakatang team Kabalen, Kapampangan, Pampanga Delta, Bagsak Yepa.
For the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa. They ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should overcome, what for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no challenge for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears. We're keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat and tears and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. 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 I know it's lonely at the top, but that's not by speculation. But the position that I got, I climb too high to fall, way too hard to drop. Stop clocks on the speed bag. Every yell under pressure, no jet lag. This is greater than trophies and saluted flags. Titles of fame, the cost is paid. Yay, I carried the cross I made. Deal with the dealer, baby, the hand was played. New level, next stage. Learn to lead as a legend. Now tell me what's